Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So we've got something a bit different again. I'm saying that we've done it before. We are going to get a new car. Well, I'm not. My mate Scott is. If you remember from when I bought the grey Skyline, if you watched that video, he came with me up to get the grey one, up to Winchester again, actually, saying that. And he's buying a Subaru Impreza with the old shape one, like the it's a 99. It's got a P1 engine in it and it's an RB5. Basically, you have to Google Scooby stuff if you don't know about it. It's a grey one. It's got a couple of little mods, I think, but obviously I'm driving them up there and I need to look at it from because I'm such a car expert. But yeah, just picked up the Merc because I left it at the pub for the weekend, so we've got that back now. Need to go fill him up and get up to Winchester. We need to go pick him up first though and get some breakfast. I'll take you along for the ride as per usual, so let's get going. Ah, there he is, look, wakey wakey.
Ta-da!
Let's go get a Scooby Dooby Doo.
Scooby Doo.
All excited here?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Little bit.
Breakfast acquired.
Ta-da!
Ta-da. Mackey's.
Scooby.
I meant to record the little first when we're driving up to it, mate.
There it is.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's got a Civic as well. You didn't really see anything, did you?
Just got your face.
Just start it again. There he is. Scooby, Scooby. Scooby, Scooby.
Take it for a testy.
Sounds nice. Taking for a spin.
Too much traffic everywhere. I know you're a little stressed. You're not looking alright. Yeah, just go straight across.
Nice little bit of, give it some beans, Scotty.
Might be on the left there.
You happy, Scotty?
Happy, just gotta make sure you get some money.
Happy Subaru owner. Start him. Alarm works. Look, first problem I've noticed when I've been following you is you seem to have lost bits of your window.
All your things were falling off, mate. Fucking hell.
That was not fitted correctly. That isn't what's fallen off though.
Huh?
That isn't what's fallen off though, is it?
No. Underneath, mate.
But here he is, guys, anyway. Scotty's new Scooby.
Scooby.
Happy man. It's falling apart. He done a pole next to me when we were a little racy. And he said something flew off. Probably an underbelly tray or something, but we'll have a gooch, see what's missing. What do you mean? I don't think it's going to fall off.
Start proper lifting up.
Yeah, that is quite Pop the hood. Pop the hood, Brian. Brian never had a Scooby, but he said when he put his foot down, the bonnet was like lifting. Let's check it out. Scotty's in the A45 now. My turn. Let's go do some sideways action. Four wheel peel. There we go. Scooby thrashing time. Oh, Scott's a midget. Right. Manual. Let's do it. Boosty noises, ready? guys, we are in sunny Plymouth, made it back. What time's it?
Late.
9:15, full day out.
Yeah.
Scotty's happy, he's got his Scoob.
Ta-da.
Let me know what mods you want to see this done, because Scott's got to buy them all and then I'll fit them. Free labour, all he's got to do is pay for food and beer.
I get fog lights like this.
And get some, the fog lights don't work. There's no windscreen wash, I don't think, that's why it's not squirting. These trims are a bit dodgy. But other than that, it made it 3 hours, 3.5 hours, all the way back. So we bought ourselves a good car. Well, he did. Don't subscribe to the channel.